Welcome to the Element Pack Pro tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create eye-catching image shapes using the image masking extension. Ideal for team sections, hero banners, or product displays, this tool adds creative flair to your design without any coding. Let's see it in action. To get started, head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on the Element Pack Pro tab from the left-hand menu, then navigate to the Extension section. Look for the Image Masking extension and toggle it on to activate it. Once it's enabled, don't forget to click Save Settings to apply the changes. Your extension is now active and ready to go. Next, open the Elementor editor. Drag an image widget into your layout and select an image that fits your design. Once the image is in place, switch to the Advanced tab and scroll down until you find the Mask section. Click it to reveal a toggle switch. Turn it on to unlock a set of customization options. The first option you'll come across is called Shape. This feature provides access to a vast and diverse collection of pre-designed shapes, each crafted to offer a distinctive and visually engaging aesthetic. These shapes range from simple geometric forms to more artistic and creative designs, giving you plenty of flexibility to match the tone and style of your project. Take your time exploring the full library. You'll find that every shape has its personality and potential. Whether you're aiming for something modern and sleek or playful and bold, there's a shape to fit your creative vision. Once you've explored the options, simply select the one that resonates most with your layout and enhances the overall design of your page. Then, you'll come across the size setting. This lets you control how the shape fits over the image. You can choose from Fit, Fill, or Custom. For this demonstration, we'll go with Fit. Next is the Position setting. This lets you align the shape within the image. Options include Center Center, Center Left, Center Right, Top Center, Top Left, Top Right, Bottom Center, Bottom Left, Bottom Right, and Custom. For now, we'll stick with Center Center. Lastly, there's the Repeat setting. This controls how the shape pattern repeats across the image. You can choose from options like No Repeat, Repeat, Repeat X, Repeat Y, Round, and Space. For this demonstration, we'll stick with No Repeat. Once you've finished customizing your image mask, click the Publish button to make it live and preview your stunning new design. But that's just the beginning. You can also apply the image masking effect to other widgets, such as the image box. When working with an image box, open the Image Masking Options panel just as before. You'll see two categories: Default Shape and Custom Shape. Let's take a look at the default shape options first. Start by selecting a shape from the same large collection of pre-designed shapes. As before, pick the one that aligns with your design goals. The position setting works just like before, letting you choose how the shape sits within the image. We'll stick with Center Center for consistency. Under size, you can pick from Auto, Cover, Contain, or Custom. For this case, we'll choose Contain to ensure the shape fits nicely within the image. Finally, in the Repeat section, you have more choices including Repeat, Repeat X, Repeat Y, Space, Round, No Repeat, Repeat Space, Round Space, and No Repeat Round. For our example, we'll again go with No Repeat. And just like that, you've applied an image mask to your design. Once you're happy with the result, hit Publish to make your layout live. Be sure to check out our demo pages for even more creative shape ideas and inspiration to elevate your designs further. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest features and tools from Element Pack Pro. Thanks for watching.